Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Ethernet network adapter on your Windows 10 device. So hopefully this should be a fairly quick and straightforward tutorial. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I would recommend that you guys make sure you're running the latest and greatest version of Windows 10. So I recommend opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. Best match should say Settings right above Trusted Microsoft Store app. You want to open that up, and now you want to left click on Network and Internet, or at least the Network and Internet tab. And now you want to make sure underneath the status area on the left. And now in order to reset our Ethernet connection, you want to go down to where it says Network Reset right here. So click on this hyperlink. It should say Network Reset, and it should read that this will remove, then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Left click on this Reset Now button. It's going to prompt you, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Left click on Yes. And now this will take a moment to run. And once you get this prompt that says you're about to be signed out, I'd recommend closing out of any open programs or applications you have on your computer, restart your device, and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.